Today we'll be walking you through how to install your strut tower brace on your 2005 to 2023 Chrysler 300C. First, we're going to get it out of the box and look it over to make sure it hasn't been damaged by shipping. Now let's go over the tools that we'll need for this install. We'll need a torque wrench, a 13mm wrench, a 13mm deep well socket, a pig tool or a pry bar, and a ratcheting wrench or an impact. First step in this install is to pop the hood. Next up, we're going to pop off the dust covers, and using our deep well 13mm socket and an impact wrench or a ratcheting wrench, we're going to remove those bolts off the top of the struts, passenger side too. Finally, it's time for the strut tower brace. We're going to start those nuts off by hand to make sure we don't cross thread them. We're going to get these tightened down with our impact, or in your case, maybe a ratchet. Can't forget about that other side. And we're going to torque all of these down to either 50 Newton meters or 37 foot-pounds of torque. Finally, you can enjoy your new strut tower brace and close the hood.